channel's just too low.
So what's in here real quick, man? And your name?
My name's Ray. I got two Mmats Team Juggernauts, triple stack 15s on a Terram's Base 8K. I wired it 1 ohm. I got a 48 lithium battery under the thing here. And,
okay. Some punch.
Rockford 404 and a 75.2.
Nice. So you still testing, tuning, tweaking, working on it? Work in progress?
Just put the port on at 6 a.m. this morning.
Really? Okay, so you got it playing at least.
Yeah, it's playing.
Okay. Do you know the specs of the box?
It is total it is 1.6 per sub sealed.
Okay.
And 11.5 ported and 20 square inches of port.
All right. Perfect. Nice. All right.
Lightning and the thunder.
Sounds pretty good, man.
It's not bad.
And are you planning to seal this off eventually?
Oh yeah. Like, that was the plan, but it's out of time.
Do you have anything behind the box? Is it all right here?
It's all right here.
It is? Okay, so you got a little back space still.
I could probably have done 20 plus cubes.
You did? Okay. Sounds pretty, it's going to be really different when you wall it, I'm sure, when you seal it off. So.
Big difference.
Yeah. Awesome. Thanks for showing me, man. What was your name?
Ray.
Ray?
Ray, yeah.
Ray, okay. Thank you, man.
Oh yeah. Anytime.
Y'all have a good day. Is the door open right? Yep. Oh, doors. Huh?
As AC, that's all that matters.
Yes, sir. That's right. Awesome. Ooh. Work in progress. I understand, man.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna get a picture real quick if that's all right. Does this go up at all?
Yeah.
Sorry.
My umbrella's annoying.
Thank you.
Lightning and the thunder.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.